Hello from Slovenia again. First I want to share a few things. So if you are here just for pouring, feel free to fast forward, but I really want to talk about the release of my Modular Split Cup. It's a heavy-duty silicone one with adjustable chambers. So you basically have 5 cups in one, because you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chambers. You can adjust them, you can make them, some of them bigger than others. You can play with it. It's an endless possibilities with this cup. Easy to clean. You can put it in a dishwasher, so it's really game-changing tool. It was designed by me. You can buy it on Fluid Art Co. And for this week only, you get $10 off if you buy it. Price is $49.97, I believe, dollars. And this week only, you get $10 off, so you will pay only $37 for this cup. It's 13-ounce cup. It's an amazing thing. I did few videos live. I will put links in the description. It's really amazing, not just because I designed it, but it is because I think about all things that I didn't like with the 3D printed ones. So now you need just one instead of 5. And if you think that you pay somewhere around $20 just for one 3D printed one, I believe that this price is just amazing for 5 cups, that you have in one, and all the other benefits. So today I will use 3 chambers. Don't forget to check Fluid Art Co. I will put link into the description to the split cup. And of course you can check the release of new piggies, these little piggy pigments too. Or other pigments or other stuff. They have an amazing stuff on Fluid Art Co. I use one piggy today that I really love. This is Unicorn. It's sky blue, baby blue to purple shifting color, and I have phthalo blue, phthalo Prussian blue, turquoise blue, pearl white and white. And I will use 3 chambers today, and I will put some white and pearl white in one chamber, and I have 16-inch round canvas today to work on. So I will just add white and pearl white in this middle chamber. Why white and pearl white? Because I feel to. I did that on my magic wand pour that was published, and I really like it, so I decided that I will do the same. And here I will go with this Prussian phthalo blue by Amsterdam and blue turquoise by Amsterdam, and again this Prussian blue. So I will fill up this cup to the top, because I have 16-inch round canvas and I will need around that much of paint. Okay, and here I will add this phthalo blue and Unicorn. I love how they work together. Love them. You can, always do just one color in one chamber. You can do multiple colors just on you. And as I said, I will put some links that I did the demonstrations into the description if you are interested and you want to see more how you can use it. I will not go in total details in every video because it will be just, you know, too much. So, because I will go kind of in the center, I will pour some white here to have a little bit of paint to flow. I will just go around a little bit. Okay. And in this, with this part I don't talk too much normally because, you know, it's hard to focus on the pattern and talk, and it's kind of, you pour a really long time because I like to pour slow to get some of those nice feathery looking effects. So let's do First that. I will start kind of fast because it will not, it's normally this part you will tilt off, so Okie doke. I love what is happening. I just think that my spinner is a little off leveled. I don't know why, so I will just go. Sorry for the sound of the foil that I have on. And do one spin. See what is going on. To go over the sides too. Just want to open this bottom part a little more, so I will just tilt this off a little bit. Bring it back, just to open the lines a little more. And I will call it done, I think. Kind of want to take that part off too. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yay! So here she is, dry and gorgeous. And at the end, I kind of like this orientation. This unicorn, oh my god. But I just don't know how to show this color shifty, beautiful pigment on camera, but believe me, it's gorgeous. See here some kind of fingerlings around, so shimmery. This is not varnished, this is just the pure pigment in pouring medium. Oh my god, I don't know. Here you can see the shift, the purple shift of the unicorn, you see? Yeah, you see it? It's just, ooh, gorgeous. And this part is still one of my favorite parts. And it's really, really so cool because of this unicorn. And I love it. It's kind of a weird composition, but I don't know, I love it. And I'm pretty sure that this is my favorite one of the orientations because of this bottom part. I kind of, I don't know, but it's still, I can't say that it's not beautiful. I love it. I think that I want to do one just with white and this unicorn here and not phthalo blue, because just gorgeous. Just love it because of the color shift of the unicorn. It's definitely, you know, not just two colors. So this is it for today. Don't forget to check Fluid Art Co. for the new piggies and of course my modular split cup, and create something nice. And please tag me if you will, so I can see what you created. Thanks for being here and see you again on the next one. Bye!